Every day, our bodies are exposed to a wide range of environmental pollutants, from smog-filled air to chemical residues in our food and water. These invisible threats can gradually weaken our immune systems and contribute to long-term health issues. Amidst this daily challenge, one humble fruit stands out as a powerful ally: the lemon. Packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, lemons offer a simple and affordable way to help our bodies combat the harmful effects of pollution. Incorporating a lemon into your daily routine can be a small yet significant step towards protecting your health. In a world where environmental toxins are nearly impossible to avoid, the benefits of a lemon a day become more important than ever. Chronic oxidative stress is a condition that arises when the body is exposed to an excess of harmful molecules known as free radicals, often as a result of modern pollution. This persistent imbalance can damage cells and contribute to a range of health issues over time. Interestingly, both ancient traditions and contemporary scientific research have identified lemons as a powerful remedy against oxidative stress. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons help neutralize free radicals and support the body's natural defense systems. Historical texts reference the use of lemons for cleansing and revitalizing the body, while modern studies confirm their efficacy in reducing oxidative damage. This convergence of old wisdom and new science highlights the enduring value of natural remedies in promoting health, even in the face of modern environmental challenges. Lemons are renowned for their impressive antioxidant properties, largely due to their high vitamin C content. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, accelerate aging, and contribute to various diseases. By combating these molecules, the antioxidants in lemons help slow down the aging process and reduce cellular damage. Incorporating lemons into your diet can therefore support overall health and promote a more youthful appearance. Lemon is renowned for its potent antimicrobial properties, which play a significant role in supporting the body's defenses. Its essential oils contain compounds that are effective against a variety of harmful bacteria and fungi. These natural agents work by disrupting the growth and survival of pathogens, helping to reduce the risk of infections. Studies have shown that lemon extracts can inhibit the development of common microbes found in food and on surfaces. By incorporating lemon into daily routines, whether through diet or cleaning, individuals may benefit from its protective effects. This makes lemon not only a flavorful addition to meals, but also a valuable ally in maintaining overall health. Lemons are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties, largely attributed to their rich content of flavonoids. These natural compounds help combat inflammation in the body, which can be triggered by factors such as exposure to pollution and unhealthy dietary habits. By regularly including lemons in your diet, you may support your body's ability to reduce inflammation at a cellular level. This effect is particularly important in modern environments, where pollutants and processed foods are common contributors to chronic inflammation. Over time, the consistent consumption of lemon may aid in protecting tissues and organs from inflammatory damage, promoting overall health and well-being. Lemon contains several bioactive compounds, including hesperidin and D-limonene, which have attracted attention for their potential anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that hesperidin may help inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells and reduce inflammation, while D-limonene has been studied for its ability to support detoxification processes and protect healthy cells from damage. Incorporating lemons and their extracts into a balanced diet may contribute to a preventative approach to health, complementing other nutrient-rich foods. These natural compounds work in synergy with antioxidants and vitamins found in citrus fruits, promoting overall well-being. While more studies are needed to fully understand their mechanisms, current evidence highlights the promising role of lemon-derived substances in supporting a health-focused lifestyle. Lemons play a significant role in supporting heart health through several key mechanisms. Their high vitamin C content acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Lemons also contain flavonoids, which have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and improve overall cholesterol balance. Additionally, the potassium found in lemons can help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessel walls and promoting proper circulation. Together, these nutrients contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system, reducing the risk of heart disease and supporting long-term heart function. Lemons play a significant role in the prevention of kidney stones, largely due to their high citric acid content. Citric acid helps inhibit the formation of certain types of kidney stones by binding with calcium in the urine, reducing the likelihood of stone formation. Medical professionals often recommend what is known as lemonade therapy, which involves regularly consuming lemon juice diluted in water. This simple practice can increase urinary citrate levels, making it more difficult for stones to develop. Incorporating lemon juice into your daily routine is a natural and effective way to support kidney health. As a result, lemonade therapy is widely endorsed as a preventive measure for those at risk of kidney stones. Lemons play a significant role in supporting immune function, thanks to their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is essential for the production and activity of white blood cells, which are the body's primary defense against infections. By promoting the growth and effectiveness of these cells, lemons help strengthen the immune system. Additionally, the antioxidants found in lemons protect cells from damage and further enhance the body's ability to ward off harmful pathogens. Regular consumption of lemons can contribute to a more resilient immune response, making it easier to fight off common illnesses. Lemons possess unique properties that can contribute to better blood sugar management. The soluble fiber and natural compounds found in lemons help slow the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, which can prevent sudden spikes and crashes in energy levels. By promoting a more gradual release of sugar, lemons support sustained energy throughout the day. This effect is particularly beneficial for individuals seeking to reduce their risk of developing diabetes or those aiming to maintain stable metabolic health. Regular inclusion of lemon in the diet may assist in balancing blood sugar levels over time, offering a simple yet effective strategy for long-term wellness. Lemons offer remarkable digestive benefits, thanks to their unique composition. The juice of a lemon closely resembles the natural juices found in our stomach, which helps facilitate the breakdown of food. By stimulating the production of stomach acid and bile, lemons enhance the digestive process, making it easier for the body to absorb nutrients from what we eat. This increased acid and bile flow supports the efficient digestion of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. As a result, incorporating lemon into your diet can contribute to better overall digestive health and nutrient uptake. Lemons offer valuable support for healthy weight management, thanks to their unique combination of polyphenols and pectin fiber. Polyphenols found in lemons have been shown to help reduce fat accumulation within the body, making them a beneficial addition to a balanced diet. Meanwhile, pectin fiber contributes to a feeling of fullness or satiety, which can help curb overeating and unnecessary snacking. By promoting these effects, lemons can play a subtle yet meaningful role in maintaining a healthy weight. Incorporating lemon into meals or beverages is a simple way to harness these natural benefits. Lemon essential oils have been widely studied for their influence on mood and cognitive function. The fresh citrus aroma is known to promote feelings of calmness and mental clarity. Inhaling lemon oil can help reduce stress and anxiety, creating a more relaxed state of mind. Research suggests that the scent of lemon may also enhance concentration and memory, making it beneficial for tasks that require focus. These effects are attributed to compounds in lemon oil that interact with the brain's limbic system, which governs emotions and behavior. Overall, the presence of lemon's essential oils can foster a soothing environment while supporting cognitive performance. Lemons offer a range of benefits for skin health, thanks to their rich vitamin C content. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production, helping to maintain skin's firmness and elasticity. The antioxidants found in lemons protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging. Additionally, lemons possess natural antibacterial properties that support the healing of minor blemishes and help prevent breakouts. Regular use of lemon-based treatments can promote a clearer, more radiant complexion. However, it's important to use lemon with care, as its acidity may cause irritation for sensitive skin. Lemons can be easily integrated into your daily routine in a variety of ways. Start your morning with a refreshing glass of lemon water to help hydrate and awaken your senses. Add freshly squeezed lemon juice to salad dressings for a bright, tangy flavor, or use it as a marinade for meats and vegetables to enhance their taste. Lemon slices can be steeped in hot water for a soothing tea, or blended into smoothies for a burst of citrus. Don't forget to use the zest, which contains aromatic oils and nutrients. Sprinkle it over dishes or mix it into baked goods for an extra layer of flavor. By exploring these simple methods, you can enjoy the benefits of lemons throughout your day. In summary, lemons offer a remarkable array of 12 key benefits, ranging from boosting immunity and aiding digestion to supporting skin health and detoxification. Their rich vitamin C content and powerful antioxidants make them an effective daily shield against the harmful effects of pollution. Incorporating lemons into your routine can help fortify your body, enhance overall wellness, and provide natural protection in today's environment. Whether you enjoy them in water, meals, or as part of your skincare, lemons are a simple yet potent addition to a healthy lifestyle. Reflecting on these advantages, consider how lemons fit into your daily habits and the unique ways they contribute to your well-being.